recording?
Yeah.
So we're going to go driving, show you how we drive the vehicle. So we clamp the chair down to the car, so it doesn't move at all. We'll switch the engine on. Let's wait for the lights to go off on the dash. Engine's on. So we'll have to wait now, because we've got some sophisticated equipment here that we need to... It's testing it at the moment, so I'll wait for... Right. Okay, it's done that. Now the joystick. That's working. Another button here. Tightens my seat belt up. Okay, we're pretty much ready to go. Handbrake off. Press one button, drive into gear, and away we go. Try and negotiate. Try and negotiate here without taking the wing off and smacking into someone's car, because it's stupid enough to park opposite my drive. Right, and away we go along my road. As you can see, summer's over now. The winter is approaching. Three beeps, alright. Right, slow right down. Coming. Right, come along here. Turn left now. Quite a steep hill. Good thing about these vans is the gearing really does help slow you down as you come down the hill. Not braking at all at the moment. The gears are really holding me back nicely. Apply some braking. And we'll travel through Brixham town centre, I think. Three beeps for right indicator. Here we go. Gently pull the joystick backwards. Go around the corner. Three beeps to turn it off. Pretty wet day today. Here we are driving down Bolton Street in Brixham. It started raining. Hopefully the automatic windscreen wipers should come in a minute. across. Very, very old part of Brixham. We're turning left here.
Hello.
I think this is where we will finish our recording. As you can see, driving the joystick. Okay mate, you dickhead. You twat. Stop and let me through. I see some people